Hey there, welcome to Faith Life with Amaka. Hi beautiful, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome to another vlog. It feels like ages that I've done a vlog on my channel. So I thought, why not bring you guys sort of a weekend. It's really a day in our lives. I might get some snippets of the rest of the weekend, but usually weekends we come out and we explore and we do all kinds of things in the weekend. So we have come out to this nature reserve park and it's gorgeous. As you can see, it's beautiful. So there are like, you can see down there just right in front of me there's like a walking path slash bicycle sort of lane where you can cycle, you can walk, and it is a massive piece of land, guys. It is a huge, and it's gorgeous. There's all sorts of things to do. I just love it. It's beautiful. It's great for children. It's great for families. Anyway, so enjoy our mini vlog. I gotta go. I'll catch you guys in a bit. That's super.